Hi everyone, in front of me is VIVO V20 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. Now we have to tap on date and time. As you can see, it's on the 3rd position, and here we've got some options which we can customize. So for example, firstly we have to decide if we want to set date, time and time zone manually, or if we want to use network provided time and time zone. Let's turn off those options in order to manually customize the date, and as you can see, after tapping on it we can choose the date we want to use from this calendar. So for example this one, tap on OK and it immediately appears. The same situation with the time, we can choose the time from this clock, just tap on OK, it also immediately appears on the status bar. Let's tap on the time zone, tap on the region, and here you can pick the region you'd like to use, the time zone you'd like to set. So let me pick South Sudan. And after getting back, you can see that it is also set, but be aware that after changing the time zone manually, the time will also change according to it. Under it, we've got also the time format, so we can use local default or we can use 24-hour format, and after obviously turning off this option, we will use 12-hour format. So actually this is it. This is how to customize the date and time. Obviously you can go back to all previous settings, just unlock those switchers in order to use network provided time and time zone. So actually this is it. This is how to change date and time in your VIVO V20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.